All heard this phrase, never judge the book by its cover. But isn't that what we do in real life? We are all visually wired individuals, and as a matter of fact, visuals are processed 60,000 times faster in the brain than text. Moreover, people tend to remember 10% of what they hear, 20% of what they read, 80% of what they see or do. Consider it this way. Let's say you want to buy a product online, and you land on a website, but the graphics and images on their site are sloppy and of poor quality. Would you enter your credit card details on it? Of course not. It happens all the time. With thousands of competitors in your market, sometimes the only difference between gaining a customer or losing a sale is in the cosmetic appeal of your website. Nobody wants to buy something if it looks dull and amateurish. That's the reason publishing companies and best-selling authors invest hundreds, even thousands of dollars into design when they launch a book. But there's a problem. High-quality, eyeballs-grabbing graphics are remarkably tedious to create manually and super expensive to outsource. See yourself what designers are charging. Way too darn expensive. So if you don't have that kind of budget to hire an expensive graphic designer, why not create them yourself? But it's not that easy. You need to possess designing skills and tech skills to work on highly complicated designing software. That simply means spending days or even weeks on your desktop trying to create a single design, neglecting all other important aspects of your business. And forget about downloading e-covers from other people's website. It is not just illegal, but you can be penalized with copyright fines. This will sabotage not just your marketing efforts, but even your whole internet marketing business. But this thing is going to change right now. We take pride in presenting 3D e-cover shop, a striking collection of 250 plus 3D e-covers templates and 100 plus 2D e-covers templates in PNG, JPEG, AI, and PSD editable file formats, all for the bottom dollar. Remember, all files are professionally made to jazz up your projects. Simply load any of them into Photoshop or in any other software, edit the titles with your product name, and you've got yourself a professional-looking product cover. We're also providing you step-by-step editing tutorial videos to help you get going in no time. And the best part is, you're getting everything with an option of private label rights. That means you can sell it under your own name and generate insane profits. Well, if that's not impressive enough, how about this? You're getting 6 additional modules of complete DFY sales materials with our private label rights option. Module 1, professionally written sales page copy. Module 2, professionally designed graphics. Module 3, top converting mini sites. Module 4, conversions boosting email swipes. Module 5, eye-catching animated banners. Module 6, legal pages. Wait. Not only this, but also 5 fast action bonuses. Bonus number 1, Turbo Graphics Package. Bonus number 2, 123 Logo Kit. Bonus number 3, 60 Photoshop action scripts. Bonus number 4, Facebook Timeline Cover version 7. Bonus number 5, Animation Video Squeeze Page. It is a fact that high-quality, attention-grabbing graphics or e-covers packages are nearly impossible to find, especially ones that contain a unique mixture of 2D and 3D assets. Even if you find them, they could cost thousands of dollars and even then have heavy restrictions on how the content can be used. This is your chance to save your money and your time. Not to mention, with our private label rights option, you can even sell this package to anyone you want and generate outstanding profits from day one. So hurry up before the price gets double or more than what it is right now. Act now and get instant access to this amazing offer below.